Patients are waiting and we seriously don't have time for lunch. So I reached the department. So good morning everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is just another usual day in my life as a dentist. Good morning guys, just woke up. Going to get fresh, take a bath and then see you. So done with the shower. Now going to get ready. So all set to go to the mess to have food and then direct to the department.
Heading to staff mess for breakfast. Let's see what today's breakfast is. I'm in a hurry this morning, so we'll give you the staff mess tour in the afternoon when I come for lunch. So stay tuned further.
So I reached the department. So good morning everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is just another usual day in my life as a dentist. So here in this department of Cons and Endo, we deal with patients having caries tooth. I would like to tell my non-dental and non-med audience, here we conserve teeth as much as possible. We try our level best and only the grossly decayed or the hopeless teeth which are in no condition to be saved are sent for extractions. I'm the junior staff here. Here I have my senior faculties from whom I get to learn a lot because learning never stops. I'm just a fresher, so it's literally the beginning for me. I have my very own dreams, fulfilling it one step at a time. I always want to be better and sometimes I'm not even satisfied with my work. Is it really me or anyone who can relate to me? How this overthinking can usually leave you unsatisfied in your work. But lately I have tried working on it, not to overthink, always find some or the other positive things in any chaotic negative environment. We have patients' appointments scheduled every day, plus the amount of new patients that comes every day. The OPD gets divided in all the various faculties and the postgraduate students. A variety of cases comes which gives us an opportunity to learn many new things every day. As correctly said, every day holds a new chance to become the better version of yourself. So I'm becoming one too. So now it's almost 10 o'clock and the patient who had their appointments at 10 has come. How lucky today, because the patients never come on time. Every day the schedule is very different. So today I'll be doing 3 to 4 patients before lunch and then 1 to 2 patients after lunch. In some patients, BMP need to be done, in some obturation, and some new cases will be allotted to each of the BDS staff here. I'll be doing the access opening and whole of the BMP if the time allows. Today I'll be getting slightly less new patients because in my schedule today is preclinical rounds.
Let me quickly show you my workplace. This is a dental chair that has been allotted to me. Coming onto the trolley that has been given to me contains all the material I need while doing treatment procedure. The department has a very different vibe, which I love the most.
The department is so noisy this time, I really couldn't have vlogged or spoken a thing. Or you couldn't have got the clarity of the voice, so I decided to move out of the department. This is a quiet and really nice place, so I thought you keeping updated before going for another patient. It's the peak time The hospital is full with patients in every department. It's almost 2 o'clock. We'll be quick enough to quickly have lunch and come ASAP because the patients are waiting and we seriously don't have time for lunch. You won't believe when I joined this college, the first week I didn't consume lunch. With passing days, I got adapted how to schedule my time along with the patients so I can quickly grab my lunch.
Let me quickly brief you about my preclinical lab duties. Preclinic literally means before clinics. So second year student practice procedure before going into clinics in their third year, making themselves perfect before trying their hands on patients.
It's time for preclinical. Every day one MDS and one DTS staff has to go to their assigned duty for the second year undergraduate students. So moving towards my assigned duty, that is now quickly going to the preclinical lab. So ending the vlog after coming to room as my phone's battery got drained and I couldn't vlog further. Came from the preclinic duty and the time was mostly up. Came at 4:30 and we have hospital duties till 5 p.m. in the evening. So just came to room and now will relax and also edit this so I can upload it to the soonest. So Dr. Rabia signing off.
So this is what my day looks like working in a dental hospital. A perfect productive day serving patients. If you liked it, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.